still a lot of buyers out in the market, but the listings are low. The number of houses for sale are low, still low, and we've suffered from that for the last 2-3 months, 4 months. 125 sold in June stats. Yeah, houses that are priced right are selling fast. There are still a couple sticking, but you need to be onto the price. Prices haven't risen significantly.
How does the listing shortage affect sellers?
More competition. There's one of the properties that we've had lots of buyers through, so there are buyers around. So the shortage means that there's less choice for the buyers. And we've had in Bethlehem, we've had two houses that have come to the market, have been priced well and have sold within the first 2 weeks. We had one particular one that didn't even get to the market that was highlighted. People wanted to sell. We had buyers from another property and we sold their property without even in the first week. I would think now is a very good time. Over the last couple of months has been a very good time to sell. I can't see prices going up from where they're going up. They had every chance to go up and they haven't. With the Reserve Bank now saying that interest rates are going to go up in the next year, or in 2014, that's going to, in theory, speed people to buy now to fix their mortgage. Now is a very good time to be selling. The main number of houses sold have been through the 280 to 380 mark, which is pretty standard. That's what we'd normally expect. Over the last 3 months we saw a lot of houses sold through the 400 to 500 mark, and now that's come back down this month, again to sort of 4 or 5 houses in each of the brackets. So more standard type sales. So if you're in the 280 to 380 mark, those houses are selling, most definitely. Winter is a myth, that the houses don't sell in winter is a myth. It's the market always drives it, and if you look at the last couple of years, that you'll see that in actual fact, if you look at the years gone by, the houses always sell in winter, and the numbers aren't significantly different to spring or summer sales. There's a couple of months, like November is always a high month for sales, but other than that, winter is no different to summer. Yeah, I'm not sure where it came from. It's been around for a long time, and it's never been, I think it's because it's wet and cold and people don't want to go out. But if somebody wants to buy a house, they'll go and see a house whether it's raining or wet or cold. And in some situations, that seeing it as in the rain and seeing it at its worst, buyers sometimes quite like that, because then they know that, well, it's this bad now, it'll only get better from this, and so sometimes it actually helps the sale, seeing it in that line.
Where do you see sales going over the next couple of months?
I think that, like June month, our last sales stats month was lower than the last 3 prior to that. And I think that probably is generated just because of the lack of stock on the market, the lack of houses selling on the market. And I think that'll be what's going to happen over the next couple of 3 months, is that it will be in that medium number of houses sold. It won't be high, it won't be low, it'll just be medium houses. So it's going to be status quo, really. That'll be just carrying on. I can't see the prices going up. There's nothing driving the prices to go up. So it's just getting yourself on the market, really. The buyers definitely are there, and it's just it's a matter of getting the houses for them. And because there's not that many houses for them, it seems that we're just not selling the number. I would say that's pretty well over Tauranga. I just sold section out at Welcome Bay and a house out at Welcome Bay. I was out there yesterday driving around, and there's not a lot of signs out there. I came through town, there wasn't a lot of signs up. I went through Otamotai, there wasn't a lot of signs up. So it's across the city that the lack of properties for sale.